Greetings, this is This and I Me, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this Roman key puzzle, 2 keys interlocked together. In the set of puzzles that I got, they're calling it the Roman keys, but maybe it has some other names as well. But basically, yeah, 2 keys stuck together, you have to take them apart. First, I'm going to give you guys a hint to see if you can figure it out yourselves. Then I will just show you the solution quickly, and then I will give a detailed explanation in case you still need some more help or like an actual walkthrough. So here's your hint. First off, you need to separate the 2 keys, and you're going to want to focus on this gap right here in the key. And as you can see, most parts of this key are too thick, too wide for this gap to be of any use. So maybe try and find some points of the key that are thin enough for this gap. Okay, so there's your hint. And now let me just, if you're ready for the actual solution, I'm just going to first just show you guys how it's done. If you're just looking for like a general, let me see how to do it. Here we go. This is how to separate the 2 keys from one another. So I'm just going to simply maneuver this key around like this. Might look a bit nonsensical at first, but we're just maneuvering it around, and then just like that, they're separate. So it's actually quite quick. It's not too elaborate of a solution for this one. But let me give you a more detailed walkthrough if that was a little bit much to handle. So you're going to start with the bronze key. I mean, if your keys are 2 different colors, I'm calling this the bronze key because mine is bronze, but sometimes different puzzle manufacturers make the same puzzle and they look a little different. So you can just say the key that does not have a gap in the bottom part, that is the key that I'm keeping more stationary. And then the silver key, or the key that does have a gap in it, is the one that I'm going to be maneuvering around. I usually like to try to have one stationary piece in my puzzles, and then one piece that is doing the maneuvering. So today we're moving the silver piece around. And the way you're going to want to start is with the key upside down. So I'm talking about the silver key when I talk about the key. The bronze key is staying the same way the whole time, for the ease of, solving, streamlined solving. We're keeping the bronze key the same way. Silver key, start with it upside down, and then you can line this gap up with this notch at the bottom of the key. It'll slide right through there very easily. The whole key of this is following these notches. And so now that we've got it around that first notch, we're going to rotate the key back up so that it's pointing upwards, or like it's standing up. And then you can navigate it past this second notch of the bronze key. And then once you've got it around that, and now your key is sort of dangling around the neck of the bronze key, we're going to maneuver it around this notch that's at the top, like the head of the bronze key. We're going to maneuver it around that 2 times. So the first time, you want your key to be pointing down, and you're going to maneuver it clockwise past that notch. Then you're going to keep the key pointing down, go counterclockwise around the top of the bronze key, and slide it right off the other side of that notch. And then you have your 2 keys separate. Now there's only one more thing for me to help you guys do and to explain to you, and that's putting it back together. So if you want to put it back together, it's a simple reversal of the steps we just did. So silver key can start in the upside down position, thread it past that notch at the top of the bronze key's head. Rotate it around clockwise, like around the top, and then you're going to thread it past this notch a second time, just like that. Now you can rotate the key so that it's in the standing up position again. And then we're making it go past this middle notch on the bronze key. And if you remember, then we rotate the silver key so that it's pointing down again. And we slide it past the notch at the bottom of the bronze key. And then, they're put together again. That's basically it. Yeah. Fairly simple one today, but I hope it helped if you needed the help there. And if you stuck around this long, of course, yes, here are my nails. Detailed shot of the nails inspired, of course, by the puzzle. You're welcome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye now.